Welcome to the fun house. And today, pew pew. Today we are going to be making slime.
My favorite thing.
So, my mom is going to have one slime, and she has this bowl, a blue glittery glue. I forgot what it's called for a second. And I have two pink and purples.
Everybody has slime videos.
And I have a big container.
So why not do slime videos?
Yes, and we have this activator.
It's not as popular anymore, but...
No, but it doesn't mean we can't do it. Who cares if
people
it's popular?
still do it.
Yeah, but who cares if it's popular? Like our friends,
Our Unicorn
Lovers and More did it. Go check out their channel. It's really cool.
Yep, but you gotta like and subscribe to ours too.
And theirs. They deserve love too.
They need love.
Are they at 100 or they're almost at 100?
They're at 81.
They're at 81 subscribers.
We need more.
It doesn't matter. But help both of us get up to 100.
Yep.
Or for us, 60, right?
At least 60.
For us, 60, so we can dump ice buckets on our head. We're at 40. Help get us up to 60. Okay, so now let's get back on with the video.
All right, so it's very simple.
Yeah,
Do we need spoons?
I'm going to go get spoons. Like, eating spoons or different spoons?
That's fine, I don't care.
Yeah, we can wash them.
And not sponsored by Elmer's, just
No,
I
we'll
bought
tell
it.
you in the beginning if it's sponsored.
I just bought it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you guys don't know how to make slime, I will tell you guys how to do it on the way.
Let's get,
So
I think everybody knows now, but you know, we're
Take
gonna...
the top of it off.
Ooh.
Ooh, looks like slime already. And pour your glue in. It does not have to be glitter glue.
No, I've never really used glitter glue, I don't think.
Me either. I don't think I have either.
Blue's my favorite color.
I haven't made slime in a long time. Neither has my mom.
We used to make it all the time, but so didn't everybody else. That sounds weird.
We can be rappers with these. This is our music.
The fun house.
This is the fun house.
The fun house.
Can you please like and subscribe? And also go check out Unicorn Lovers and More. I got it on me. How did I get it on myself?
Yeah, that's all right. I think
this one's almost done. Oh, it's in my hair. No, it's in my hair.
That's all right.
I had glue in my hair and it's all over my mom.
You can take a shower.
It's right here, Mom.
And I got some on the table.
She has it right there.
This is really pretty glue, though.
I know, so I'm going to have pretty hair and sticky hair.
Look how pretty that is.
And I still have one more thing to put on. And that's our dog barking. You can't tell that it's a dog.
So with the activator, I think you're good. For you, we're going to go up to here. It says one batch.
Well, I'm not done yet. I need to put the other one in still.
Oh, you're going to do that?
Yes.
So I'm going to do...
Actually, I'm going to do one slime.
Are you going to do both?
I'm going to do another bowl for this, and I'm going to mix the slimes together.
Okay. Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
These two
so
slimes together.
One batch.
Yes.
This is all we need, apparently. So, and it's magic liquid. I bought this at the dollar store. Hang on. Gotta make sure.
I think this might be good for right now. We don't need to put as much as it says right away. It's already like mixing sticking all together.
Oh my.
It works fast.
Yeah, it does.
Mom! It's not ready for me to touch it yet. And Kaylee used to call herself the slime master.
Well, she was.
She was a slime master. She always knew how to fix slime.
Yeah, she did.
No matter what, and she always made it look really pretty.
Now, let's see. How do you need more?
I don't think so. It's just not sticking together yet. I think I'm ready for my hands. I'm already ready for my hands.
Feels so weird.
the table for now. We can clean. Oh,
It feels weird.
it does. I forgot how slime feels.
This is not how I remember it.
It's not.
Ooh, what do I need? Do we need more?
No. Just keep on mixing. I remember how to kind of fix slime. Kaylee kind of taught me. So now I am the slime master in this situation. Whoever needs to be a slime master and knows how to be a slime master is the slime
Is
master.
yours working?
Look. It's still sticky, see?
But why is mine like this?
Maybe you put too much activator? Here, try more activator. Mom, try more activator. I'll grab it. Hang on.
Maybe I have too much activator. I think I failed.
Mom, you can't never fail on slime. You can always make it better. I would help, but hang on. Once I'm finished with mine, I will help you. Mine's almost done. At least my first one is. So you try to work on yours while I'm doing mine. Once I'm done with mine, I'll help you. Yeah, sometimes you just need to help. You need some help sometimes.
Ooh, maybe I did need more activator.
Need more activator, Mom?
No, I think I did. I already put some in.
Oh.
I'm having an issue. But look, oh,
Do this, Mom. Keep it stick onto the same hand, but just do this. It helps a lot.
I think I need more. I needed more
My
activator.
arms hurt.
I mean, it's getting there.
But once mine...
But look at it.
It'll get there, Mom. It'll get there. I think mine's good. It's still sticky. See, it's still sticky.
But, oh, I feel like
It's a failure is what you feel like.
I'm used to staff flow and
Yeah.
should we put them together?
At the very end. Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to put mine on the table. Mom,
Oh,
I think mine's ready for the table. Mom, yours is not ready to get put on the table.
do I need more?
No. Just I think I need more glue.
Pour some of that pink glue in there.
Hang on.
I don't think the table's a good part for it yet.
Mom, I will get it off if it gets stuck. See? It will just come straight off. I just need to get this off of my hand. Oh, fine. Okay, one hand.
I mean, I feel it working, kind of. But I shouldn't do this.
It's not.
It's alright, Al.
You can get yours to work. Hopefully it's not a fail. And even if it's a fail, we're mixing them all together at the end, so it doesn't really matter. My mom was just like, what did I do wrong?
I feel like the more I do this, like you said.
The more it gets slimier, or the more it gets better.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
Look at here.
Mom. My hand is no!
It's getting there. I used to love to do this.
Oh, I still love to do it. No, not my other hand. I need my right hand. I need my right hand. I need my right
I say we put your
hand.
pink one with this one.
Not yet. We need to.
And then make your purple one.
Not yet.
And
We're
I'll
gonna.
sit here and knead them while you do it.
Mom, no. We're gonna put them all together at the very end.
Why not?
Very end.
See, look it. It's getting there. It's getting there. Very slowly. I think if I mean, it's not as slimy. I mean, it's still sticky.
I think mine's ready. Okay, yeah. You need to work with yours. That's how mine was at one point.
All right, I'll keep working with mine. You make the next one.
Okay. I'm getting it off
Use
of my
the same
hand.
bucket if we're gonna mix them anyway.
I am going to.
Okay.
Do you know where my bucket went?
Right next to you.
My hands still have pink slime on
Like
it,
it
but
feels, it feels good.
my
Like,
hands
now
still
it's
have
starting to
pink
feel like, look at this, Alex. Just has to work at it.
And how did it feel before?
Really, I mean, it still feels really slimy. I don't know if it has to do with it being glitter glue or...
No, I think I've used glitter glue once before. It's worked. Good.
It's still really sticky.
What do you think the color is going to be if you mix all three of them together?
I don't know. See, it's starting to come. It's just...
I think that's enough.
The blue's really pretty.
I think my pink one's really pretty too.
I do too.
What do I put it up to? Two?
Just, no, I wouldn't put that much. Just do a little bit at each time.
A little bit at a time.
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit more. Oh, fudge. Might have been a little... Stop! Don't touch me with your
The more you
slime.
knead it, the more...
It gets better.
Yeah, but why is it still so...
It's already kind of slimy.
Why is it still so sticky, though? That's what part I don't...
Slime is sticky.
Mm.
Oh yeah, if you hear that in the background, we forgot to turn it off. We were watching I'm a Sody Fam.
Sody Fam. We love Sody Fam.
Yes, we do.
Even though they have no idea who we are, go check them out anyway.
Yeah. I think I need more. It says no.
All right. A little bit more. See, it feels fine here. It's just really, really sticky. Look how pretty. Blue is such an awesome color.
On camera, it doesn't look glittery.
Let's see if I can get it up close.
Okay, it's not ready yet,
See all
but,
the glitter in there? Look it.
but mine's not
What?
ready yet, but I'm going to with my hands.
I was gonna say I would start.
I am. This is how mine's first started out.
Yeah, really, really, really.
You just gotta do this a lot.
Yep. See, like mine's getting there, but it's still really sticky. If we need to, we can put them all together like that and then just knead them.
No. Mom? No, this is how yours was, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
So can you get that one off of your hands and I can eat for you? What? Yeah.
I mean, I'm not kneading that one.
Please! You did yours.
Put it together and then knead it.
No. Pick up my pink one. No, I'm gonna mix them together. I'm mixing my pink one and this one together because my pink one is kind of good. It's good. Oh no! String! Oh my god! Whoa.
That's cool.
It's really pretty. But it's like a galaxy. Not yet. This one's still not good yet. Oh, this is bigger.
This will help it.
Mom, mine's gonna help it enough right now. It almost got in my hair.
Dawn dish.
No! Get up! It keeps on going. Mom, no! Mom, not yet. Please, not yet. Can I put it on the table?
Ooh,
Too late.
That might have helped.
What might have helped?
But this, oh, now, there we go. Maybe a little bit more activator. There we go. No more stick. Well, maybe a little bit, but. There we
Is it
go.
like this? Stick?
Whee!
pry it off, Spoon. Just pry it off.
Awesome.
This hand like always gets attracted to slime.
All right, we're gonna be needing to wrap this video up.
It's already been 15 minutes.
Yeah, it has. It goes quick. What do you want to do with this one? You want to add it in?
Not yet. Now.
There we go. The grand finale.
Whoa! It looks like a
Oh,
swirl.
that was really cool.
My hands are so.
I guess I will be turning off the video. We're gonna have another video today.
Yes, we will.
Uh,
Whoa!
I'm
It's
not-
like a unicorn poop slime.
yeah, it is. Show them up close. Right up to the camera.
It's on. Mom, I don't want to be touching my iPad with this.
Not really looking forward to this next video.
Do I have it? Okay, I thought I had some slime right there.
I'm kind of worried and scared about this next video.
I'm not.
But the things we do for you
It's
guys,
for you guys. It's crazy.
entertainment.
We need to do a prank video. We need to do an all prank video where we pull pranks on each
That's
other
really
all
pretty.
day.
All right, you guys. Well, that was fun.
Uh-huh. It was very, very.
You want us to make more slime? Please give us a like.
Yes, give it a like.
We will be back.
In the next video.